Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside any Roblox game, open the settings menu with ESC and go straight to controls. You need the shift lock switch enabled, flip it on now so the feature registers. If you prefer a different key, bind it in controls, otherwise the default works. Once done, close the menu and briefly test by pressing the bound key. You should see the camera snap into third-person locked orientation. Keep moving to refine how it feels. Now you refine the behavior. Make sure your camera mode is set to a mode that supports shift lock, typically classic, or camera mode that enables lock. Press the shift lock key while moving to confirm the camera locks behind your character. If the turn or pan feels off, adjust mouse sensitivity and camera settings in controls until rotation and responsiveness match your aim. Make small changes and retest. Incremental tweaks avoid overshooting the right feel for gameplay. Finish by saving your settings and playing for a few minutes to ensure shift lock behaves consistently across maps. If it fails, first relog or rejoin the server. Sometimes settings need a reload. Next, check for game-specific scripts or developer settings that override client options. Disable them if you control the game or test in a different private server. As a last troubleshooting step, try another device or browser to isolate whether the problem is local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.